Unity Software is up roughly 5%. Pre-market, after they announced earnings, which exceeded analysts' expectations for revenue in the second quarter. The company posted $533 million in revenue, while analysts were expecting $518 million. Now, what's interesting about Unity Software is Kathy Woods has a nice, or I should say a decent bag. She's been buying the stock since pre-2020. It appears she sold a nice chunk at the market tops back in November of 2021. When the price was $197, she sold roughly $4 million. And as the price has been going down, she's been picking up shares along the way throughout 2022. Her recent big purchase was roughly mid-February, where she purchased 1 million shares. So her bag is worth $500 million. It represents about 3% of her fund's holdings. She owns roughly 3% of all outstanding Unity Software stock. All right, so let's go to the charts. We're going to start with the monthly chart. And the chart suggests that price has bottomed. Let's go down to the weekly chart. And the chart suggests price is attempting to break out. If I put a trend line, we can see since May, price has been respecting this weekly short-term uptrend line. However, there has been some headwinds since mid-June in the form of sell wicks, implying selling pressure in this 47.50 area. Let's go down to the weekly chart. You can see that as price was bottoming in the first half of 2023, you had your moving averages starting to converge. And then in May, your shorter term moving averages started crossing over your longer term moving averages. You have a golden cross, which is where the 50-day moving average crosses over and above the 200-day moving average. So that's a secular bullish signal. However, you do have price now, although it's just one candle, has closed below your 13 and 26-day moving average, just signaling that momentum has waned. But this could be just a pullback before the next impulse move higher. Time will tell, but all time frames suggest price has bottomed and price is attempting to break out. Let's look for a target. If I scroll back up to the weekly chart, if price can close, get above $52, the chart suggests price can get to $70 or so. And that's where price will be met with some headwinds in the form of support, which should now serve as resistance. So again, Unity Software has bottomed. It's in the process of breaking out. Kathy Woods has a small bag, If you are a Kathy Wood fan, you like what she does, she's been on fire this year. The chart suggests to go long Unity on pullbacks with a target at $70. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.